Okay. Hey guys, Nick here, and today I'm catching a and there is just flying in front of my eyes. Let me see his name. Okay, dead on his name. Wow, he flew. And speed act. Okay, let's see. And there's Dirtbike, just speed act. But red. Yeah, I'm a nerdy guy. There he is. He isn't even here. Wait, how old Dirtbike? And he's letting 12-year-olds and a 13. I'm down. Look, he's trying to do crits, but he sucks. I've never seen a kid suck this. Pig Dude could beat this kid. Tell him I love video. Tell him he can upload yesterday. This is cloud. Guys, in the I can't talk. Okay, guys, in the comments. Anyways, in the comments, sure to see how, on a scale of 0 to 10. You guys can let me know how bad Dirtbike is at PvP in the comments below. Scale of 0 to 10. Look, and he's still E. So or it's anti-KB, and he's Dylan. Scrub at least one second. Oh, and Dumb Inferno going for guys. Dumb Inferno and they're being little scrubs. They're going to me. This is so cute. Don't know how God just toggled it. I can't hit toggled it. That's why I will still. Come on. Here comes the. Dirt. Why hacks? I'm gonna have hacks. I always use them. Oh, guys. Oh. Fuck! I don't know what happened to this. Hold on, guys. Hello? Anyways, guys, my Skype went out. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm trying to manage my soup here. There we go. I was wondering. Congrats, bro. Purple, dirt, little sucky friend, and for they're teaming now, bro. Unless he has multi aura. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, that's all. Anyways, make sure to leave a comment and on a scale of 0 to 10, see how bad Dirt is at hacking. And yeah, guys, bye.